Hey, let me show you unboxing and features overview of the Redmi Buds 6 Play. So first of all, quick overview of the specs, what we can find. 10mm dynamic driver, AI noise reduction for calls, 5 equalizer settings, Xiaomi earbuds application, this is great, we'll be able to get more features, up to 3 hours of music from 10-minute charge and up to 36 hours long battery life with charging case. So yeah, that will be all. I've got them in their black color, so let's remove the sticker and let's go inside. Okay, so we've got user manual and our earbuds. And as you can see, that's how this case looks. It's actually the matte plastic. On the right side, we can find the pairing button. On the bottom, on the back, there's USB-C port, and right here, nothing. Let's open it. Right here, we can find some kind of the marking. And by the way, right here, we can find small indicator. And that's how this earbuds looks. They are like really small. Let's catch focus on them. There we go. As you can see, they are super small. Okay, so now I'm gonna connect them into my phone and we'll check what features we can find. Okay, so as you can see, first of all, we can check the battery level for the both earbuds and the charging case. We can find the gestures. We got single tap, double tap, triple tap, and press and hold. And what we can set here. We can volume up and volume down, play and pause, change songs. This is the same. And we can wake the voice assistant. In the audio effects, we can find the sound equalizer with the 5 presets. In the additional settings, okay, nice, there's the low latency mode. Oh, that's cool. We can also rename the device. And we can find our earphones with the sound signaling. And that will be all. This is like all features you can find on the Redmi Buds 6 Play. And by the way, in the next video, I'm gonna make comparison with the microphone of the Redmi Buds 6 Active, Redmi Buds 6 Lite, Redmi Buds 6 Play, and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, the Galaxy Buds 3, and of course AirPods 4. So that will be all. Thanks for watching.